To replace your air filter, use a number 3 Phillips screwdriver to loosen the airbox connecting hose clamp. Release the two airbox cover clips. Lift the front of the cover up and gently slide it forward. Using both hands, move the cover up and down and pull it out of the connecting hose. Inspect the airbox cover for debris, clean if necessary, and set it aside. Remove the old air filter. Inspect the lower airbox for debris and clean as required. Confirm the correct air filter for the engine type. Then install it into the airbox, ensuring proper seating. Insert the airbox cover into the connecting hose. Then engage the rear brackets with the eyelets on the lower airbox. Press the front of the cover downward and secure it with the two clips. Tighten the airbox connecting hose clamp using the number 3 Phillips screwdriver. Finally, ensure the hose is securely seated to prevent any air leakage.